If you build it, they will come. Now, sound familiar? That's because it's from a famous movie. But here, especially, it's true. The owner here took her house, ripped it down to the studs, and rebuilt it from the ground up. And the end result is literally the most stunning piece of real estate I've ever had the pleasure of putting on the market. So you wanna see? Why don't you come with me, because we're going on a tour. Well, welcome to the inside of 151 Leyton Avenue. All opened, open concept, living, dining, kitchen. No one's ever even used anything in here. So I'm in the living room, which is right next to the dining room. Nice. Everything here is finished to the nines. Even these shelves, which were made by Space Age Closets, just by the way. This is a working wood-burning fireplace. I'm just gonna say that one more time because it's a working wood-burning fireplace. In the city of Toronto, please help me. The kitchen. My heart be still. This is quartz. I just have to show you the veins in here are gold and white. What? Gorgeous stainless steel appliances, gorgeous gas stove, and this beautiful built-in beverage center and wine fridge. Not yet, you can't have any yet. Beautifully designed, stunningly done, cupboards galore, windows and light. I think you're gonna like it. This is my favorite room of the whole house. I don't even know if I need to say anything. Look at that wall. What? It's so beautiful. Oh my God, I love this wall. These are the wall-to-wall closets in this gorgeous bedroom, den, office. I don't know what you want to use it for, but they do such a gorgeous job on the closets here. I have to show you them all. Main floor powder room, but oh, it's actually big enough for about 4 people to powder themselves. This is the huge bathtub shower on the second floor with, oh, not sure if you could see these, but they're double sinks. Bonjour. C'est le lit, la chambre de dormir. C'est gentil, oh, so très French ici. This is beautiful, it's so big here. There is a lot of light, but very private. There is seating and oh, the closet, oh la la. This is the second bedroom on the second floor. That's double twos. If you have somebody who might like this room, I suggest you bring them over to look, because it's really nice, good size, little desk area, great closet, and some good shelves too. Follow me downstairs, into the gorgeous, not creepy basement, and notice that there is a separate entrance. Apartment, anyone? This is the beautiful rec room of the basement. Is there anything more that you would want except for, I don't know, a panoramic television with every single Netflix or Amazon show you could get? I guess that would be nice here. But other than that, nice big open space. Do you have a sullen teen? If you do, I think I have the bedroom for him. Oh, see how I said him? Designer basement bathroom. Come on with this thing. It is so beautiful. All of the finishes. Look at how gorgeous this is. It's gorgeous. Oh, I'm standing in the laundry room. Yeah, super creepy, eh? Not really. This is the laundry room with a beautiful laundry sink and shelf to put other things on. I love this place. We're in the backyard. The massive backyard. Near, far. Okay, I'm not doing that again because I'll break my heel. I want you guys to know how big this beautiful backyard is. If you're interested in gardening at all, or you have a green thumb, or you just want to do cartwheels, or run around in circles, or have a barbecue, or have an entire wedding party here, this is the spot to do it. What more can I say to you? 4-car parking, massive backyard, detached, completely redone from the studs out. What more could you want? I'm asking you, can you want more than this house has to offer you? Beautiful, quiet neighborhood surrounded by parks, close to the subway, close to shopping. You better get on your bike and get down here.